Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add mobile phone numbers inside GoHighLevel. This is essential for enabling your sub-accounts to make phone calls, send SMS messages, and handle MMS communications directly through the platform. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button to access your account. You'll need to enter your email address and password, then click Sign In to reach your main dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your GoHighLevel settings and configurations. Now from your GoHighLevel dashboard, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a phone icon sitting there. Go ahead and click on it. This will trigger an expanded menu to appear with several options related to phone functionality. From this menu, locate and click on the Purchase Now button, which has a small cart icon next to it. This button will redirect you directly to your phone settings area where you can manage and purchase new numbers. Once you're in the phone settings, shift your attention to the top right part of the screen again. Here you'll see a button labeled Add Number with a plus sign. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear. From this menu, select Add Phone Number to begin the process of purchasing a new number for your account. At this stage, you'll be presented with options to select which country you want to purchase your phone number from. For this tutorial, let's choose United States as our country. This determines the area codes and availability you'll see in the next step. Now you'll be taken to the phone overview section. Here you can browse through available numbers and see their associated state along with the matching area code. Take a moment to review the phone capabilities listed for each number. This includes whether it supports voice calls, SMS, and MMS. You'll also see the type of number and its monthly price clearly displayed. Once you've found a number that fits your needs, click the radio button on the left side of your desired phone number, then click Proceed to Buy. Your sub-account is now ready to make phone calls and send messages through GoHighLevel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.